Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss step-by-step procedure on how to apply for Tech Mahindra Off Campus Drive. Click on the link which I'll be pasting in the description box and you'll be redirecting to this page where you can see two sections. That one section is for engineering or MCA candidates and other is for science and diploma candidates. The registration for the science and diploma candidates is not yet open, and for engineering students it is open. After clicking on the register button under engineering section, you'll find a set of instructions that you should follow carefully before registering. That is, the academic eligibility criteria is candidate should be completed qualifying course in 2022 or 2023 without having any backlog and having scored minimum of 70% in 10th, 12th and engineering degree and MC or MSc. And in case candidate has done diploma after 10th, then minimum of 70% is mandatory. Coming to the branch eligibility, computer science, computer engineering, IT, electronics and communications, electronics and telecommunications, etc. are eligible. And this program is open for only engineering graduates and or MCA, MSc candidates who have passed in 2022 and 2023 and have been issued provisional degree certificate by the college or university. After that, fill the personal details, qualification details and then click on the register button to register for the Tech Mahindra Off Campus Drive. After successful registration, you'll receive a mail from Tech Mahindra where you can see your registration ID and your registration PIN. Please keep note of both registration ID and PIN as these are very important at the time of appearing for the test. Your screening schedule including venue, date and timings of your test and interview will be intimated to you in due course of time. You are advised to keep checking your mails including junk box regularly. Well, I know this is a very short video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.